sensibility, and practicality define the 2016 Ford F-150. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the full-size pickup segment. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.